So I'm looking at this. Let me see if you can see that. This whole getup. It's messed up. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell what's going on. If I take those two bolts out, that's at the top here holding that motor. That one is already out right there. Right there. You see that one out right there? Uh, if I take those two out, then it ain't gonna be nothing holding up the motor, cause ain't nothing at the bottom really holding it up. See, and but it's still attached to this box right here. So I better, before I go further with taking the motor out, which is only like two more screws, and these screws right here, which is giving me a problem. I don't really need it, and but I'm not gonna cut it out. I got to get those screws out of there. Uh, I'm gonna go see if I got a little bit of WD-40 or something. A little bit. Um, I'm gonna take that box off and disconnect those first, so that when that motor come down, it don't come down and bring the bike down, which really ain't no real big deal, but there it is. Let's do that.